mathematics class. This class is for class 8 and in continuation to the previous class of quadrilaterals, that is chapter number 18, and the book we are following is Mathematics Today by O.P. Malhotra, S.K. Gupta and Anubhuti Ganjal. Now in the previous class we have discussed two theorems. First was that sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Number one. Second, we have discussed that if the sides of the quadrilaterals are extended in a particular manner, maybe clockwise or anti-clockwise, then sum of all the exterior angles was also equal to 360 degree. And after that we have discussed first and second question. So now we move on to the third question. Now I'll read out the question. They say in the joining figure. So I have already made a diagram, and in this they say P is a point in the interior of angle AOB. So angle AOB in the interior. Interior means inside the area of the angle. So angle AOB encloses almost this much area. So in somewhere in between, inside that triangle, point P is there. And they say the measurement of angle AOB is 40 degree. It is given that angle AOB is equal to 40 degrees. From point P, we have drawn a perpendicular PM on OA, and at the same time from point P, we have drawn a perpendicular on OB, and that is named as PN. We have to find angle MPN. MPN means we have to find out this angle. We have to find out this angle. Now if you look to this figure or this picture, you can make out OMPN acts as a quadrilateral. Why? Because it is a closed figure which is bounded by 1, 2, 3 and 4 straight lines. So we can simply say in quadrilateral, what is the name of the quadrilateral? OMPN. We have managed to find the quadrilateral OMPN, and we know that sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral are 360 degree. Angle O is 40 given, angle M is 90 given, angle P we have to find out, and angle N is also 90 given. Why? Because they say that PM is perpendicular to OA, and also it is given that PN is perpendicular to OB. When perpendicular, we all know, means 90 degree. 90 degree angle, at the same time 90 degree angle. It means these angles are given as 90 degree. So we can say angle O plus angle M plus angle P plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because we have learnt in the theorem. Now angle B is 40 given to us. Angle M is 90 given to us. Angle P we have to find out. Angle N is again 90 is equal to 360. So angle P will be 360 minus 40, 90, 90. Minus 40 plus 90 plus 90. What we did? All these angles move to the other side of the equal to, and since they will change their signs, so I have taken minus common in the total of the angles. So that can be written as 360, 90 and 90 is 180. 180 and 440 is 220. So minus 220. So it will come as 140 degree. That is angle P. That is the final value. I hope you would have understood this question. Now we move on to the next question. Now next question that I have taken is question number 4, and that is completely based on the diagram. And they say in this question, find the unknown angles. So there is something, let us say this as A, B, C, D and E. You can see A, B, C, D is something like a quadrilateral because it is bounded by 4 straight lines. And then the side CD has been extended to E, And then they say that angle, this angle and this angle, I think this is given 100 degrees, then this is 80 degrees, this is 40, and then this one is angle X and this one is angle Y. We have to find the unknowns. Unknowns means if we are able to find the value of X, then we are very easily able to find out the value of angle Y, because X plus Y make a straight angle or a linear pair, you can say. So first of all we will say in quadrilateral ABCD, A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. We will find out the value of X. So we can say in quadrilateral ABCD, what we know, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Now ABCD means all the interior angles. Angle A is given to us as 80 degree, angle B is 100 degree, angle C is 40 degrees, and angle D is X is equal to 360. Therefore, or implies that X will be equal to 360 minus 80 plus 100 plus 40. What we did, 80, 100 and 40 move to the other side, it will come in negative, so that minus has been taken common, and it is 80 plus 100 is 180 plus 40 is 220. So this is 360 minus 220, so that will become 140 degree is the value of X. Now when this angle comes out to be 140, we can easily find out the value of Y, because angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. If you want to explain it, or if you want to write it, we can say angle CDA plus angle ADE is equal to 180 degree. Why? A straight angle or linear pair. CDA means this angle X and ADE means this angle Y. So in place of CDA we can write X, and in place of ADE we can write Y is equal to 180. Now the value of X we have already calculated, that was 140 degree. So we'll substitute the value of X over here. So 140 plus Y is equal to 180, implies that Y is equal to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degree. That is the value of Y. So we were supposed to find out the values of unknown, and we have calculated. X is 140 and Y is 40. So now we move on to the second part. Now second part is again based on the diagram. So I have drawn the diagram, I'll just label it. So let this point be A, B, C, D, E and F. Now in this we have two quadrilaterals. First is ABFE and second is EFCD. So we need to find out the value of all the variables. Means we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. All these values we have to find out. If we consider what we say quadrilateral ABFE, you can see this is 122 given angle A and angle E is 50 degree, and their sum is not equal to 180 degree. First of all, it means that these lines are not parallel. So don't mistake that if this is 50, this has to be 50. This is 90, this is 90. It means these two lines AB and DC are parallel, but EF and AB are not parallel. At the same time, EF and CD are not parallel. Why they are not parallel? Because 122 plus 50 is 172. It is not equal to 180. So these two angles cannot be considered as co-interior or coplanar angles. So these two lines are not parallel, number one. So what we'll do, we will directly apply the concept of sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral are equal to 360 degree. That we are going to apply in quadrilateral ABFE. So first part, in this also the first part, in quadrilateral ABFE, what we can say, angle A plus angle B plus angle F plus angle E is equal to 360 degree according to the theorem. Now angle B, this arrow means 90 degree. So angle B is given 90 degree. You need to know that the meaning of this angle is 90 degree or perpendicular. So angle B is 90 degree. So in place of angle A, we can write 122 plus angle B is 90 plus angle F is X plus angle E is 50 is equal to 360. So we can say X is equal to 360 minus 122. 122 goes to the side. Similarly, minus 90 and minus 50. This 122, 90 and 50 goes to that side, so it will become negative. So from all these three we have taken minus common and these all become positive. In the previous questions I have done directly, so maybe some of you are not understanding, so that is why I have written this. In this question I have taken it in this form. Now 90 and 50 is 140, 140 and 120 is 260 and 262. So total comes out to be 262 is the total of these angles. 140, 140, 2, 426, 2. Right, 262. So value of X will be 10 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 6, 15 minus 6 basically is 9 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So 98 degrees is the value of X. This we got as 98 degree. You can see that total is more than 180. So these lines are not parallel. Now in the second diagram, this was the first diagram. Now we will talk about the second diagram. Now AD is a straight line. It means angle BAE plus angle FED will be equal to 180 degree. What we are going to do? We can say angle AEF, angle AEF, this angle plus angle FED. FED means this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Straight angle or linear pair. We can say straight angle or linear pair because this 50 and this unknown value, these are on a straight line. So the total of these two angles is 180 degree. AEF is 50 plus angle FED is equal to 180, implies that angle FED is equal to 180 minus 50 and that is 130 degree. Angle FED, this is 130 degree. Why I solved this? Because here we have two variables. One is this, one is this. So we also need to find out the value of y. Y will also be calculated in the same manner. Y BFE plus angle EFC total. This is a BC is a straight line. So we can say angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180. Similarly, we can say angle BFE plus angle EFC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Again, straight angle or linear pair. straight angles. These are straight angles. Sometimes we can say straight angle, sometimes we can say linear pair. Now BFE was X. BFE was X and EFC is Y is equal to 180, but we have calculated the value of X as 98, so in place of X we will write 98 plus Y is equal to 180, implies that Y is equal to 180 minus 98. 10 minus 8 2, 17 minus 9 is 8. 82 degree is the value of Y. This comes out to be 82 degree. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 things, we have the value of 3 things. We need to find out only one value. Only one value. So we can say, now we can say in quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? EFCD. EFCD. In quadrilateral EFCD, we can say angle E plus angle F plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. That is what we are learning in this chapter, that sum of all the angles, interior angles of the quadrilateral are 360 degree. Now angle E is what? 130 degree plus angle F was Y, and I'm writing Y first, then later on I'll take. Then angle C is 90, it is given, and angle D is Z, that is what we have to find out, is equal to 360. Y was 82, so we can write 130 plus 82 plus 90 plus Z is equal to 360 degree. So from this we can say Z is equal to 360 minus 130 plus 82 and plus 90. So this will be 360 minus 2, 9 and 8, 17 and 3, 20, 0, 21302. So 360 minus 302 is 58 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 0 is Z is equal to 58 degree. So we got the value of Z also as 58 degree. This is the right way or right method to write the questions if it comes in the examination and you need to write it in this manner. So now we move on to the next question. Now next is question number 5. I'll read it out. Find the measure of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral if they are in the ratio of 3:5:7:9. So first of all we will take, let the common ratio be X, because they say that all the angles are in the ratio of 3:5:7:9. Now what is the meaning of this? That all these angles are 3 times of a fixed number, 5 times of a fixed number, 7 times of a fixed number and 9 times of a fixed number. So they are in the multiples of 3, 5, 7, 9 of a fixed number. So what is that fixed number? We don't know. So that is why the first statement should be let the common ratio be X, or means let that fixed number be X. Now if that fixed number is X, then angles will be in the multiples, means first angle will be 3x, second will be 5x, third will be 7x and fourth will be 9x. Now we know that sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So what we are going to do? We will add all these numbers and equate them equal to 360, because these are the angles of a quadrilateral. So we can say 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360. Now 12, 15 and 9, 24. So 24x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 upon 24. 12 2s are, 12 3s are and 2 15s are. So that constant value is 15. So angles we can easily make out. Now angles will be 3 of x, that is 3 into 15, 45. 5 of x, 5 into 15, that is 75. 7 of x is equal to 7 into 15, 105. Then 9x, that is 9 times 15, that is 135. And if you add all these, you will find that their total is coming 360. Let's see. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 0, 2 carry 6, 6, 12, 13 and 3, 16, 6, 1, 2, 3. So this is, means what is the measurement of angles? So these is the measurement of angles. So that is the final value. Now we move on to the last question, that is question number 6. Now next question is question number 6. They say ABCD is a quadrilateral. AO and BO are the angle bisectors of angle A and B. Means this is a point O. AO bisects angle A, means whatever is the measure of this angle, same is the measure of this angle. So let us take this angle as x. So this also will become x. Similarly, BO is the bisector of this angle, means whatever is this angle, same is this angle. So let us take this angle as y. So this also will become y. And we have to find angle AOB. AOB means we have to find out this angle. And we have to find out angle AOB. Now, first of all, we have considered, let angle DAB is equal to 2x. DAB, x and x, 2x. So I have written, and let angle DAB is equal to 2x and angle CBA is equal to 2y. CBA, this and this, y and y is 2y. Now we need to find this angle. So first of all, in this we will be using two things. First is sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 and sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180, because you have to find the angle that is there in that triangle. So first of all, we can say in quadrilateral ABCD, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 2 times of x, angle B is 2 times of y, angle C is given 70 degree, angle D is given 50 degree is equal to 180. 70 and 50 is 120. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus 120. I am writing directly. That becomes 60. If you take 2 common from these two, x plus y is equal to 60, implies that x plus y is equal to 60 upon 2. 2 30s are 60. This 2 comes in division. So x plus calculated, because we will be needing this in the next part of the question. Now if we say, now we will take triangle. In triangle AOB, we know that angle A plus angle O plus angle B is equal to 180. Angle sum property, if you want you can even write it, angle sum property. Now angle A is x, angle O we need to find out, angle B is y, is equal to 180. It means angle O can be written as 180 minus x plus y. This x and y goes to that side, it will become negative, minus is taken common, so x plus y. Now angle O is equal to 180 minus x plus y value has been calculated here as 30. So 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Value of angle O is 150. So that is the solution to this question, and we have finished with this exercise. At the same time we have finished with this chapter. So please study hard and keep on watching. Thank you. Stay blessed.